Welcome back to Opportunity City and the Building a Brokerage vlog. Today we got special guest Lexi.
Hi.
We got her back on the vlog with us. All the work is almost done at the new office. Last week you saw us unloading all that flooring and paint and stuff. Contractors are about done. And today we are going to search some shops. We got to buy some furniture.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
Put the furniture in the office, and along the way we're going to have Lexi give you an update on the inner workings of how the agent success department is going. So it's going to be an exciting day. I don't know what we're going to buy, I don't know what we're going to find, but stay tuned and let's get to it. I'm not sure who the escrow officer is, but I'm calling about 203 East Anderson Avenue refinance. We need to get a mobile notary. Is that possible? I've got one that y'all could just email the docs to.
Hey guys, Lexi here. Just wanted to update you guys on Agent Success Program. It's going really good. We are having new agents join weekly, and all of the coaches are doing their accountability weekly calls. Agents are really enjoying that. They're setting their goals, setting their quarterly goals that match their goal for the year, and they're holding each other accountable and leaning on each other for help and support as they go through their transactions. And our training classes are going great. We are adding a new CMA course that's going to be taught actually 4 times a week, adding it onto our agents, buyers and listing classes, so that's great. We're also changing things up with the offers class, so an hour and a half a week we're just training agents on how to find deals and write offers, get those out to off-market owners or just on-market owners too, just finding those deals and crunching out those offers. So everything's going really good. I think we're adding a lot of really good support for our agents, and excited to see more and more agents join the program as we go through this. So we're almost to the furniture store, so stay tuned to see what we find.
Anything is better than Mimundo.
This is really cute, actually. I really like this. We're gonna need a conference table.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's nice. I do want a couch like that in the conference room.
Let's outfit a conference room. Let's get your room, y'all's office, and
In the classroom furniture.
Where are you gonna office?
I don't know.
The customer was doing, so this stuff, not sure on stocking.
Andrew likes.
I'm good at England.
They look good.
Yeah, I like it.
$560 for all of them. Alright guys, so we're in here. Everything's negotiable. So we are trying to get the best deals on what we got. We really like this conference table. We do like these desks back here for the classroom, but these are all taken. We got a sweet deal on these whiteboards over here. Andrew needs a standing desk. He doesn't like the cubicle that he has, so we're gonna find him something good, find some other furniture for the marketing department. But right now, just kind of working through and looking for some stuff. Come on, we're just a small business trying to furnish an office.
How about the little guy?
$549
For all?
for all.
We can do that.
Okay, good to go.
And the table?
Yeah, table and chairs.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Alright,
That's a
good
good deal. Okay.
Making out like bandits. It was a good day. We got a pretty good deal on 3 whiteboards, conference table, and 7 chairs. We went to a Smart Buy Office Furniture. Pretty cool guys. Definitely would go back if I need more office furniture. But that's gonna wrap it up. I gotta catch up on a ton of emails. Glad you were able to see Lexi and have her explain everything that she's doing with the agent success department. But now we just gotta finish up the rehab at the new office, which should be done today. I'm gonna go check on it, and the office furniture is gonna be delivered on Tuesday. So till then, we'll see you next week and bring you inside the new office.